So quick question for you. As you're looking up prepper videos, homestead videos, things like that, have you noticed what I've been noticing where it feels like a lot of prepper channels are really focused in on fear-mongering, maybe even kind of clickbaity titles and thumbnails to some degree? Or is that just me? When I first started this channel like a year ago, naturally I'm looking at other channels to see what's working, what's not, kind of, what the average viewer is looking for when it comes to this community, if you will. And I've noticed everybody seems to do the same thing, same type of titles, thumbnails, etc., which I guess you could say kind of happens in any genre when it comes to YouTube. You have one person that is successful at it and everybody else kind of copies to a certain degree because they've seen it work. So why recreate the wheel? But I guess my question for you is these type of titles where they're using, emergency or do this now or do this or else, is it a necessary fear tactic type of approach to create urgency in the viewer to make things happen and go out and take action? Or is it just fear mongering and no better than your average mainstream news? I'm kind of confused on which side of the aisle I'm on, to be honest with you. Because if I'm being completely non-biased, I've copied that to some degree too on using the type of lettering and type of titles and all that, because to some degree there is a level of urgency that comes with it. But I also feel kind of weird doing it at the same time. I feel like I'm kind of playing into that, clickbait approach, which I'm not really a fan of. So curious your thoughts down below if you're seeing this, if it's just me, what you suggest, or maybe what you wished you saw more in prepper channels and homestead channels compared to what you're currently seeing. Let me know down below.